Cheers. There's nothing else I'd rather be eating than this right now. You get that fitness. Yeah. Today I'm going to be doing a video on lies the fitness industry tells you. Now you may or you may not be sucked into these things, but I can tell you firsthand that I was sucked into these things at one time in my life. Nobody's perfect. And that leads to my very first thing, social media. Okay, so when you're first getting started in your fitness journey as a beginner, you're on social media, you're on YouTube, and you're like looking up like the best ways to get in shape, to burn fat, to look lean, what exercises are gonna build that ass, build a booty, get six-pack abs. The list goes on and on. They say if you go follow someone and do all their workouts, do what they do, dress how they dress, do your hair like them, buy everything that they promote, that you're gonna look like them. That's totally not even true. Or that you're gonna feel super happy and fulfilled in your life like they appear to be on social media. Now, I'm not saying that everybody on social media that is an influencer or a fitness person is like this, but you have to remember it is their job. Just do you. Yes, follow these people, look up to them, do their workouts, try the products if you want to, but don't get so far into it that you are like worshiping the ground they walk on and like wanting to be them, because I promise you that you will not be. Everybody is different. Like, you'll get so sucked into that world that you won't even be living your own life. That leads me to the second thing, the idea that social media sells people or fitness beginners that you are going to have the same results because of the workouts. Now, I guess it kind of goes with the first one, but genetics play a huge part in what you're going to look like when you start lifting weights. Some people will do hip thrusts and booty exercises all day long, and they will never, ever grow a butt. People are just blessed with these amazing genetics. When they start lifting weights, then whatever gift God decided to give them in their genetics, that is what's gonna pop out. Do not get discouraged. If you are following someone and you're trying to get like six-pack abs because they have six-pack abs and you're doing every single exercise that they're doing, you're eating really healthy and you're not getting those abs. Everybody is unique and different and has like their amazing character and assets. Try to bring out your individual gifts. So the next one is diet fads, like juice cleanses, pills, and low calorie diets. Oh my gosh, you guys. No, juice cleanses, they don't freaking work. Juice cleanses, are you kidding me? Here's the thing, calories in your body versus calories out. You have to eat a certain amount of calories a day to lose weight, to build muscle, and to burn fat. If you are not eating enough calories in your day, you will stay the same. You will not gain muscle and you won't change your body at all. I had to get that out of the way. Okay, so juice cleanses. Those are just calories. It's just juice cleanses. Most of the time you're drinking like below 1,000 calories a day. And so you lose all this weight. And then the second that you eat something again, you gain it right back. That's just what happens when you go below your calories. Here's the thing. Let me clear this up. Okay, so if you lower your calories at all for a certain period of time, your body will eventually know what you're doing and could start storing fat. That's what it does. You're not gonna just lose all this weight if you just eat low calories forever. You need to hire a coach and do it safely. Stop eating low calorie diets. And no pill is ever gonna help you lose weight. There is no pill. It's all about money, it's about the fitness industry, and they just wanna get you hooked and make you think that you need a pill. It's the placebo effect. And all it is a bunch of freaking caffeine and B vitamins. Go take your B vitamins, drink a cup of coffee. Okay, and then the next thing, as a newbie in the gym, you are actually going to have huge gains. If you lift heavy and you are eating food, you will have gains. After a while of lifting, like a couple years and on, you actually start decreasing the percentage of muscle that you're able to put on, because genetically, of course, there is only a certain amount of muscle that certain people can put on. So I don't know the science behind that, but I'm not here to tell you about science. You wonder why when you see all these transformation photos, like people start working out and then a year later they have this amazing transformation. It's because they never lifted before and they started doing it correctly. That's why. So if you want to put on muscle, you must be eating more than your TDEE, your total daily energy expenditure. You must be eating more calories than you're expending, like that your body is putting out to build muscle. You have to be. And that is not 1,200 calories, unless you are Barbie, like literally Barbie, the ones you play with. They don't eat anyway, so that doesn't make sense. But so anyway, I'll tell you one person I've ever met in my whole entire life that has been able to eat that many calories and be successful with building muscle and changing their body shape, which is composition. And then everybody thinks you're gonna get bulky, like you're gonna turn into a dude if you lift heavy. Like scientifically, you cannot unless you are taking a steroid. Women's testosterone in their bodies are way lower than men. I think it's like 0.9 or something. Don't quote me on that, I don't know. But seriously, you cannot get bulky, I promise you. If you think that you're getting bulky, it's your diet. You need to change your diet and what you're eating. You can't go eat a bunch of junk food, lift heavy, put on the muscle, and expect to have this amazing body. You have to be eating healthy, whole, good food. Because a lot of times what happens is people think they can go eat everything that they want and they start putting on a lot of fat. And so that fat layer is just going to sit on top of that muscle and that makes you look bulky. So you gotta eat healthy. I mean, it's hard. It's not easy, and to be honest, fitness is portrayed really not in a good way on social media for the most part. I don't know when social media fitness became porn. I mean, I really don't, because every time I look, my whole news feed is just porn, soft porn. Not everybody is like that. There are a lot of really awesome fitness women out there too that are really great at what they do. They know their stuff. They look amazing. They're disciplined, they're dedicated, they eat healthy. They do stuff the right way. I don't know, this was like a rant versus what to do, what not to do versus lies in the fitness industry, all in one video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like me to elaborate on anything, then go ahead and comment below and I will do that. Hope you have a great day and I will see you guys next time. Bye.